Calling all creators, Artlist is no stranger to big money contests. And to celebrate the launch of Artlist Studio, they've kicked off the Artlist Studio Challenge 2026, your chance to win $100,000 in funding to direct and bring your dream project to life. Here's how to enter. Create a cinematic trailer for an original series or film that's at least 30 seconds long using Artlist Studio. This short video can be in any genre or style. Then add the official Artlist watermark and upload your creation by May 25th, 2026. From there, up to 10 finalists will be selected, and each finalist will receive 5 million credits to further develop their idea into a 12 to 14 minute pilot. Then, one creator will be selected to win the grand prize of $100,000 to help fund the production of their original series or film. If you've ever had an idea for a movie, a series, or a cinematic story, this is your chance to finally bring that vision to life. I'm going to show you my cinematic entry for this contest. Enjoy. There you have it. That's my submission for the Artlist Studio Challenge 2026. And everything you just saw was created within the Artlist platform, from all my different framing images to all the different AI video generations, even all the special effects and music. Now, I'm going to quickly take you behind the scenes. So the first thing I did was create my main character, Moon, within the Artlist Studio. And then I created all the different environments. Here's my island shoreline, the plane flying over the island, and then deep in the jungle. From this point, I started to build out the narrative scene by scene, starting with framing where I created start frame shots of all my different scenes. Here's my opening plane shot, my main character Moon washed up on the beach, a realization shot where she starts to come to, scanning the shoreline, I've got the pirate ship and then the plane wreckage off the shoreline, bird's eye view of Moon looking into the island where we start to see the scale of the island. Once I got all my different framing shots, I then used each shot as a starting frame and then brought the scene to life with SeeDance 2.0. For instance, here's the shot of Moon washed up on the beach, and then I prompted the scene as follows, with my main character Moon tagged and then the island environment tagged as well. At the very top, I chose the video settings. I went with SeeDance 2.0, 1080p, 16:9, auto camera type, auto camera lens. At the very bottom, I chose a 6-second scene, auto motion, audio selected with character voice enabled, one video at a time. From there, I rinsed and repeated the process for the rest of my project. After that, I brought everything into my video editing software, edited the full sequence together, and layered in all the sound design and special effects. And this is the part where everything comes to life. So if you do decide to participate with this challenge, here's a pro tip. I recommend generating each scene in bite-sized portions, one at a time. For instance, a lot of my scenes were around the 5-second generation mark. When you generate this way, not only will your generations be more accurate, but you'll save credits in the long run as well. Now, before we wrap up, Artlist is running a credits promo right now, and you can generate up to 5 times more content with some of the top models, including SeeDance 2.0, Nana Banana Pro, and Kling 3.0. That means you can create way more while spending fewer credits, which is going to be a massive help if you're participating in the Artlist Studio Challenge 2026. Now, to learn about all the details, including all the official terms of the challenge, be sure to navigate to the description below for all the relevant links. Now, with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations, and good luck with the challenge.